I welcome you to JR Multimedia, a channel of tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Photoshop cs6 on your computer. So first of all, you need to have the setup downloaded from the Adobe Photoshop website. So it can be in a zip or in a single setup. So now there are some setup that requires you to input serial numbers before you are allowed to install. There are others that do not require any serial number. But with this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install softwares that requires serial number. So first of all, locate your setup and your serial text documents where you have saved them. You first of all open your text document, then you click on Ctrl A to highlight the text and Ctrl C to copy the text. Then you come back to your folder and double click on the setup. When double click on the setup, a prompt message will come. Just click on yes, then the next step will appear. So as we wait for the prompt message, you click on yes. Okay, so I've clicked on yes when the prompt message came. So anytime you see the prompt message, just click on yes, and this is what it will appear. You select the language that you want. For me, I like English, so I select English and click on OK. Then I start my installation. Click on next. Then the terms and conditions or terms and of agreement here you can read through. Then you click on agree. This is where you are going to enter your serial number that you copied. So you have already copied your serial number, so you click on Ctrl V to paste them. Then you click on next, then click on next again. Now with this space, this is where you want your profile, your program profile, software profiles, your software files to be stored. So if you want it to be at the C drive under program files in the Adobe folder, you can do that. But if you want to change it, you go to browse, then you select where you want your folder or your files to be. For me, I want this same format, so I'll just click on next. Then if you want to create your desktop icon, which will make it easier for you to launch your Adobe Photoshop, you take it. But if you don't want to show on the desktop, you leave it at that. As you want, take it. But for me, I want it to show on the desktop, so I take it and click on next. Then you click on install. That's how we install Adobe Photoshop cs6 extended. Okay, so that's the end of our tutorials, and I want you all to subscribe to my channel. God bless you all for watching. Bye bye.